Hi, I'm John Lane, owner of Castle Rock Sprinkler Service. I've been in the lawn care industry for 17 years, serving Castle Rock and Parker homeowners. My areas of expertise are sprinkler systems and lawn care. Lawn services include scheduled visits for fertilization and weed control, and we also control the weeds in the rock beds, aeration, and turf restoration. Not only do I grow healthy and beautiful lawns for my customers, but I make it easy for you and I to do business with online appointment scheduling. Select the Book an Appointment button, and in less than a minute, you can schedule services or an estimate. Make the appointment, and I'll be there. Thanks for watching, and I hope our paths cross soon.